Hello YouTube, this is 2 Cools 2. This is update 2 of the blizzard that hit NYC on December 26th through 27th, 2010. Today is Monday, December 27th. Sorry for this very late update. This is the third time I had to shoot this. I've had problems with my camera and video editor software, so I'm just going to do it on the camera because I recorded different stuff, but apparently it's not working, so I can't show you certain stuff. I measured the snow in a good place where it was untouched and there was no dripping snow. 20 inches of snow fell. I didn't know if that was accurate. I looked on the news. Yep, 20.4 inches of snow fell. So there was big drifts of snow, especially here. Let me run there. As you see, this pathway's been clear. A lot of snow. There's some drifts here, all smooth. See, there's big drifts over here, all drifting snow. And these are huge. This is a big one. My backyard, I measured it, about 42 to 44 inches. It's a big, that is a big drift. Freezing out, the wind is making it very cold. So it's like a winter wonderland now. And it's like you see the North Pole on TV and you're little, what the hell? And it's very cold out. My gloves on, but if you looked at the update 1 video, I showed that I have my other mittens. They're 2-way gloves, and I put them together for ultimate warmth for your hand, because this is very cold right now. I feel numb. And there's a garbage truck over there. That's been here since this morning. I guess the worker just abandoned it because it was stuck. And this car has been here since 1 a.m. in the morning. There's a tow truck right next to it. And I don't know what the ambulance is doing here. Was here before. Let me just get on top. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm swearing like that, but so deep the snow. Oh crap. Yeah, not really good idea to walk in snow. Luckily, I have Dad's rubbers on, so down there you can see that bus. It's hard to see because the zoom is no good on this camera. And down there's tons of bus and stuff. There is, I don't know if it's a, what's it called, car service, or it's just a regular Lincoln car, because I never see anyone drive Lincolns, but I just see car service with Lincolns. You see the snow's blowing from the wind, and this is wild. Before it was even more wilder, but sadly I lost the footage. No one is moving, especially down there at the church, clock tower, or whatever. The wind is very crazy. Oh yeah, he's stuck. They're stuck, yeah. All ice, they're stuck. See all those 2 windows over there? They're mine, and all that snow high enough. And from there, I was recording this car last night at 1:30 or 2 a.m. The time between them trying to escape. That car too. It was over there, pushing it, finally crashed down, stuck over there to get it back. It's crazy. I'm gonna try to walk with this again. This snow suddenly just makes you fall. Oh, yeah, like that. This is nuts. Alright, YouTube, thanks for watching. Check out my channel. Thanks for supporting my vids. Subscribe, add me as a friend, rate, comment, and hopefully next storm I will record it with no problems with my camera. I should be getting a new camera, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.